The weather is getting cooler, the leaves are changing colors, and it's time to enjoy all of the fall activities. And today I have some beautiful fall picture books for your children. Hey guys, it's Fanny from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I want to share with you guys some beautiful picture books that I have to show you for your children. You can use these as read out louds if you have young children. Even bigger children like picture books like this. Or if you have newer readers, these can be the books choices for them to read during their quiet reading time. So I hope you guys enjoy these books. Here they go. When the Watsons decide to zip their Piggy Wonder into a form-fitting princess dress for Halloween, complete with tiara, they are certain that Mercy will be beautiful beyond compare. Mercy is equally certain she likes the sound of trick-or-treating and can picture piles of buttered toast already. As for the Lincoln sisters next door, how could they know that their cat would lead them on a Halloween parade of hysterical proportions? Kate DiCamillo's delightful pig is back in a tale of full treats, tricky turns, hijinks, and high humor. A lone autumn leaf falls and flies away on a breeze. It travels up and over the world and down again, where it finally lands on the page of a little girl's open book and becomes a keepsake. The Leaf Thief. Squirrel loves counting the leaves on his tree. Red leaves, gold leaves, orange, and more. But hold on, one of his leaves is missing. On a quest to find the missing leaf, Squirrel teams up with his good friend Bird to discover who the leaf thief could be among their forest friends. With vibrant art and captivating characters, the magic of autumn is captured beautifully on each page as readers tag along Squirrel's forest adventure. Is there truly a thief afoot? Or is something else going on Squirrel's forest? Because of an acorn, a tree grows, a bird nests, a seed becomes a flower. Enchanting die cuts illustrate the vital connections between the layers of an ecosystem in this magical book. Wander down the forest path to learn how every tree, flower, plant, and animal connect to one another in spiraling circles of life. An acorn is just the beginning. Applesauce Day is here. Maria and her family visit an apple orchard and pick apples. Then it's time to turn the apples into applesauce. Every year they use a special pot that has been in the family for generations. Follow along as everyone helps to make delicious applesauce. The moon grows fatter, the days grow shorter, and it's time to bring in the harvest. Written in the style of the traditional harvest song, Harvest Home tells the story of a family that toils together to make the work of harvesting lighter. Jane Yolen's spirited verse resonates with the magic of an American heartland tradition. Greg Shedd's radiant art captures the warm spirit of this special time of year. I really hope you guys enjoyed those books. Aren't they so sweet? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.